How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. This is the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Brand new camera. It was just released, and in this video we're gonna unbox it and get a look at all the contents inside. This isn't gonna be a demo on the video quality of the camera. This is only if you're looking to purchase the camera and you want to know the contents that are included inside. So this is what the packaging that it looks like that it comes with. Previous GoPros came with like a hard plastic packaging, and if you notice, it does come with a case as well. So which is really cool. So we didn't get that one in, and I didn't have the Hero 9, but the ones before that didn't come with a case. So if we open that up, there is our nice case right here. So it's just like a nice padded zip case. It says GoPro right on there, which is really cool. And this one is in the gray GoPro, but we do know that the GoPro Hero 10 does have blue writing on it now. So kind of interesting why they didn't go with blue writing on there, but hey, nonetheless, not gonna bother me too much. We open it up, and what is this right here? Your camera must be updated before you can use it. So, okay, so that's good to know. So we do need to download the app and then update it and all that good stuff. Cool, all right, no problem. So let's go ahead and see what we have inside. That's how it sits right in there. And we'll actually go ahead and look at the contents first before we take a look at the camera here. So we have USB-C cable. So USB-A to USB-C. We'll actually unwrap that so you can exactly see what it looks like and how long this is. There, we'll actually unwrap it. There we go. So there is your connectors, USB-A to USB-C. There we go. And this cable itself, it's probably about a 1.5 feet long. So it's not super long, but about 1.5 feet long. There you go. And then inside, on this side, we have a little mount, and we have the 3M sticky on there, and it's a curved mount, so we can stick the camera somewhere. We have the little screw piece right here, and we've got the battery itself, and let's have a look at the exact battery that we have. And this one is the same battery that the Hero 9 used. So if you have a Hero 9, it is the same one. And there's some, here, let's see. There's some battery information if you care to see the actual battery itself. Okay, cool, that's all you're getting. And then we look at this, we've got the little adapter mount piece right here, which has got that little rubber. I like these ones. The official GoPro ones are really good quality. They don't break like the cheap aftermarket ones, so definitely get the original GoPro ones if you can. All right, so that's it for the pieces. And then we do have the camera itself. And then we've got up here, we've got just some more instruction booklets. Actually, let's take a quick look at that. So we've got just some questions and blah, blah, blah. Don't really care about that. And then inside of here, nothing else. That's it. All right, so chuck that aside. Let's have a look at the camera itself. There we go. The GoPro Hero 10 Black camera. We're gonna go ahead and unravel the piece right here. We'll take that apart. Get out of here. Go, go. All right, we're just gonna rip it. Screw it. There we go. All right, we've ripped that off, and let's go ahead and rip off the front screen. Little wrapper right there. And then the lens wrapper right there. And then on the back, your camera must be updated before you can use it. Again, yes, you've already told me once before. I get it, I get it. All right, so we can take this little piece off right here as well. There we go. So we took that off as well. And there is the camera itself. It's got the built-in little mount at the bottom right here. And I'm not too sure exactly how this works. And now I figured it out. So we pull that apart, which is really, really cool. So we can, if we want to hold it like that, that's really neat. We can do that. Or we've got the mount that they've included right here. And then we can put that little piece. Get in here, get into the little mount. There we go. So we put that little piece into the mount, and then we get this screw thing right here. Here, we're just gonna go ahead and do this. Why not? Why not? Let's show you how it works. Here we go. All right, we screwed that part in, and then you've got this little mount right here. I don't know why they didn't give you the flat one. They just only gave you the single curved one, and then you can put this right into that, and then this little secure piece goes down, and there you go. You've got it like that. So if you want to mount it somewhere, you can. Obviously, you can get tons more of these bottom pieces right here. You can get flat ones. You can get all different kinds. You can check out them. I'll leave some links in the description down below if you want to check out some different mount options as well. But again, we're not going to go ahead and turn the camera on at all. We're just going to leave the camera as is. But let's go ahead and look at the side of the camera. And to insert the battery and the memory card, all we're going to do is we look at the side piece right here. This is the door right here. We're just going to pull just right down on this, and then that just way opens up just like that. And let's go ahead and throw the battery in, and the battery is just going to go in just like that. And then inside of here also, you can see we've got the memory card little slot right here, little bitty one right there. You can kind of see it right here. I don't have a memory card to put it in right now. And then we do have the USB-C charging port in there as well, but super, super handy. We'll go ahead and close that down, and we're not going to turn it on or anything like that. I'm gonna have to connect it to my phone in a second and update it. And there we go. There's our unboxing of our GoPro Hero 10 Black. If you want to purchase this camera, please use my affiliate link in the description box below if you appreciate this video. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.